What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In this video we're going to be talking about Ethereum and why I think it's one of the best altcoin picks right now and why I'm selling some altcoins to pick up some extra Ethereum leading up to their final testnet, which is launching on August 4th. This is leading into phase 0, which is going to introduce staking. Lots of bullish stuff on Ethereum I'm going to go through with you guys in this video, so be sure to stick through to the end of it, and I'm going to go into some price technical analysis for Ethereum as well. Before we get started, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please hit the bell to be notified when I release new crypto videos. I'm doing 5 or more crypto videos per week right now. Also, comment below what are your thoughts on Ethereum and what price prediction do you have for Ethereum by the end of 2020. So before we get into why I'm so bullish on Ethereum right now, I do want to do the $100 Bitcoin giveaway from my previous video, turning $10,000 into $100,000 in 1 year. This is a crypto trading series that I just recently started on Binance, so if you guys do want to follow me on this journey, I'm going to be showing you guys my trades on Binance with $10,000 and hopefully hit that goal of $100,000 or more by the end of 2021. So I will be doing updates on this every couple weeks and showing you guys what I'm trading on my channel as well. So if you are subscribed, you will get notifications for this. So in this video, I did do a $100 Bitcoin giveaway. So all you had to do is comment on this and share the video, about 800 entries. So I'm going to be using commentpicker.com, which is a random YouTube video URL comment picker. So all I have to do is paste the URL of the video here and it will pull all the comments from that video. And then we will select one random winner for that $100 of Bitcoin out of this. I do want to start doing crypto and Bitcoin giveaways regularly, so be sure to be subscribed to not miss that. So here we go. Out of 711 entries, we're going to have one random winner. And I will send that $100 of Bitcoin in this video as well for transparency. Danny Jones, and here's his Bitcoin address. I'm going to copy that and then paste that into Atomic Wallet. And then we're going to send 0.01 of Bitcoin, which is around $100 of Bitcoin. And confirm that. Success, that's sent. So thank you guys again for entering in this $100 Bitcoin giveaway. I will be doing more regularly, hopefully one a week. So please be sure to be subscribed and share my videos to support the content so I could do more giveaways more regularly. So getting into Ethereum has finally passed the $300 resistance. Hopefully it does hold here. I do think it's going to keep going up, leading towards that final testnet and then mainnet launch. So I am pretty bullish on Ethereum for end of 2020. And that's just phase 0 of Ethereum 2, which introduces staking to the project. There's also many other phases that will be launching end of 2020 and in 2021. So overall, there's a lot of bullish events that are going to be happening for Ethereum. Those major network updates with sharding are going to be huge as well. I also have some very bullish stuff to show you guys in general for Ethereum also. So be sure to stick through to the end of the video, and some technical analysis I'm going to go over, and my Ethereum price predictions for end of 2020. So Ethereum is launching their final testnet, which is set for August 4th. So I do recommend you guys follow me on Twitter. If you don't, I do post stuff here as I see it. I did post time to start stacking ETH on July 17th before this final testnet date was announced. So if you did catch this and you did buy into Ethereum, you're up pretty good right now. So they did announce on July 22nd that the August 4th would be the final testnet date. And then from there, they will be launching phase 0, which will introduce staking. So we probably will get a final launch date for phase 0 as well. And then the price of Ethereum will be going up leading up to that launch of staking. So I do see the price of Ethereum going up a lot in the upcoming months. I'm very bullish on Ethereum for August, as well as Cardano and SparkPoint and some other altcoins, but I'm pretty much selling some altcoins for Ethereum right now because I do think that's going to be going up the most and definitely be leading the next bull run. So I do think Ethereum is going to be taking a lot of market dominance away from Bitcoin, which is what we saw in the last bull run as well. When we saw Bitcoin dominance dropping is when we saw the price of Bitcoin going up the most. So there's been a lot of huge news coming out about Ethereum since that announcement of the final testnet as well. A lot of attention coming to Ethereum. Pretty much every big YouTuber has done a video on Ethereum in the past few days as well. So everything you need to know about Ethereum 2 on CoinDesk. As of July 10th, some developers, including Ethereum founder Vitalik, estimate the oft-delayed Ethereum 2 will launch by the end of this year. When phase 0 of ETH2 does ship, little about Ethereum will change in the near term for users and DApp developers. This is because unlike all other system-wide upgrades in Ethereum history, the ETH2 overhaul will primarily be happening on a different blockchain. This chart here is pretty interesting, showing the phases that are set to launch for ETH2. So Serenity Phase 0 will be launching by end of 2020, and then we do have 3 more phases coming after that, which will introduce sharding and many other network upgrades, which will make the network much faster and efficient. So as we can see past updates here in the price effect from Ethereum, so in October of 2017 we did have an upgrade before we did have that major bull run. So possibly we may see a similar effect since we are in an altcoin season now. Hopefully we do see a huge price rise from this network upgrade with Ethereum, especially because it's introducing staking, and everyone's going to be stacking as much Ethereum as possible to get their passive income up. So now is the time of accumulation for Ethereum before staking is actually live. By that time, I do think these prices for Ethereum are history. I do think it's very likely that the $300 price for Ethereum will be history as well. I do think a correct price for Ethereum right now is around $500 or more. And I do think people are just skeptical about Ethereum actually being able to update since they have delayed so many times now. So another big article on Ethereum, why it is time to invest in Ethereum. Ethereum whales have been active lately. Data feed on advanced crypto tracker Whale Alert revealed whales moved 935,000 ETH, worth about $255 million in 8 transactions within minutes, showing a large number of transactions taking place in the Ethereum marketplace. So lots of activity and Ethereum being moved around. Lots of attention is coming to Ethereum now that they're leading up to phase 0, which will introduce staking, and people are accumulating their ETH so they can earn some passive income with staking. Another huge article, Ethereum starts its DeFi moonshot. This is a big article on Forbes. So most of DeFi projects are built on Ethereum right now, and Ethereum pretty much has the market share of DeFi. And DeFi has become very popular since the beginning of 2020. And I think that's only going to continue growing since it's so popular. So on YouTube, if you search Ethereum, pretty much every big YouTuber is making a video on Ethereum. Data Dash here, Ethereum on track for $400 in August. JRNYcrypto, Ethereum is your best bet for wealth in 2020. Altcoin Buzz, this is why Ethereum will hit $1,000. And the list goes on. All of these videos are within the last couple days. I've been on tech. Ethereum $1,000 pump started. Massively undervalued altcoin Ethereum. Even people predicting a price of $1 million per Ethereum, just insane. So it's without a doubt that everyone is pretty bullish on Ethereum leading into that staking and phase 0 launch. Also, Ethereum is pretty much the biggest network in cryptocurrency, having the most partners and the most developers on the project. So it's no surprise that pretty much everyone in the crypto space is making videos on Ethereum and bullish on Ethereum in general. If we look at Etherscan, we can see all the tokens that are built on Ethereum. Compound, Maker, USDC Coin, Chainlink, BNB, Tether USDT, Basic Attention Token, and the list goes on. Synthetic Network Token, SNX, Kyber Network. Lots of huge cryptocurrencies are built on Ethereum, and that will continue in my opinion. Cardano probably will take some of the market share, but Ethereum without a doubt is going to continue being the behemoth in the cryptocurrency space, having a $30 billion market cap. And I definitely think it's going to continue climbing towards the end of 2020. And the introduction of staking is going to take tons of Ethereum tokens out of circulation. And I definitely think there's going to be a supply shock at the same time as a massive spike in demand is just going to make Ethereum price skyrocket. I think we could definitely be seeing that $1,000 price level at the release of staking or soon after. So we can also look at the partners that Ethereum has. Some huge names on here like Intel, Microsoft, Santander. Reddit recently announced that their all their subreddits are going to be using ERC20 and built on the Ethereum network as well. So that could create hundreds of new tokens built on the Ethereum network for Reddit alone. Lots of massive things happening. Visa is also talking about using Ethereum to help banks and countries create their own cryptocurrencies as well. So now I want to get into some technical analysis for Ethereum. So all these lines here are major resistance levels for Ethereum on the way up. We just broke the $300 resistance level, and our next resistance level is going to be around $350 to $360. and our next one after that, $400 to $420. So I definitely think we could be moving up to that $360 for Ethereum very easily, and then past $400 after that, especially in the next couple weeks leading up to that final testnet. If they do announce a final date for the actual launch of Phase 0 staking, that's when I think the price is going to be moving up a lot and probably break this $400 resistance and move up past $500. After that, we have major resistance levels at $600 to $620 and $700 to $720, $800, and then $850. And then after that, moving up to all-time highs around $1,000 to $1,400. And I think we are going to break new all-time highs for Ethereum sometime in 2021, especially since there are multiple phases rolling out for Ethereum, like shown in the chart here. So releasing Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3, having those spread out I think is a great thing because it gives major updates to the network, and that will cause news and FOMO for Ethereum, which usually generates price action and definitely helps the price move up a lot. So leading up to Phase 0, I think if we get that date announcement, that's going to be pretty huge, and I do think that'll be coming soon. So ETH is approaching crucial zone, and that crucial zone is the $300 to $315 level. That's a make or break zone. So we did break into that zone right now. I do think we're going to break out of that leading up to that August 4th date, especially if Bitcoin's doing well. Also, Ethereum's strength versus Bitcoin, providing the alt season since 2017. So this is comparing Bitcoin to Ethereum and showing previous events. So now we are breaking dominance, and Ethereum is getting some dominance over Bitcoin. And like I said earlier in the video, I think once we see market dominance of Ethereum going up and Bitcoin going down, that's when we're really in the next altcoin season. I think we are entering into that. So here showing DeFi season starting at the beginning of 2020, and we are moving up now for market dominance for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So I think DeFi is only getting started. It really started gaining momentum at the beginning of 2020. Now we're seeing the prices of gold and silver moving up alongside Ethereum and Bitcoin as well, which is a great sign. And I definitely think Ethereum is going to be gaining market dominance over Bitcoin, and many people are going to be selling off altcoins now to pick up Ethereum, that they do have word that the final testnet is in, and we probably will be seeing Ethereum staking by the end of 2020. So we have another bullish chart here, although this one does play out over a longer period of time, showing Ethereum going up to around $750 sometime in mid-2022. So this shows around November, end of year, we will have a price spike of Ethereum around $380 and then have a correction. Then later leading into mid-2021, seeing a price of Ethereum around $480 to $500, and then later in 2022 breaking past $750. But I do think this is going to happen much quicker, and I definitely think Ethereum has the potential to even pass $1,000 by the end of 2020. I think people really underestimate the power of Ethereum. It's really the biggest cryptocurrency out there next to Bitcoin, having the most partners, the most use case and utility building on it. I know a lot of other projects out there are competing with Ethereum, but none of them really have the amount of partners or projects building on them as well. If you just look at Etherscan, it's just insane how many projects are built on Ethereum, and I don't think many of these are going to be switching to competitors, although I do think competitors can coexist and have different use cases from different projects. I definitely don't think Ethereum is going to die off like many people are saying. So something we also have to consider is that the US government is about to do another stimulus package and print another $1 trillion, which is going to only boost the amount of inflation coming over the next year to 2 years. I definitely think we're going to have the highest rate of inflation ever we're going to see over the next couple of years. It's just inevitable with the trillions of dollars they're printing. It's just unavoidable. Pretty much the cost of goods are going to skyrocket, and that's going to push the price of cryptocurrencies up as well, since they are finite supply assets. So leading up to this August 4th date for the final testnet, I do think Ethereum price is going to be rising. Hopefully the Ethereum does keep investors updated, and they do a roadmap similar to what Cardano did, keeping people updated with dates, and they are able to stick to that and actually release on time. Ethereum has had delays after delays for the last couple of years, so people are skeptical. But once we do get a concrete date and we do see them hitting those dates, that's going to be very bullish. And I think people are going to start accumulating a lot of Ethereum once that comes around. So I'm stacking up Ethereum for staking and anticipating the price moving up in general. I do want to be staking as much Ethereum and ADA as possible so I can have a steady monthly passive income. So if you guys don't use a VPN yet, I do recommend signing up for my recommended VPN. It's only 99 cents for the first week, and this will protect you if you are using trading apps on your phone in public. You can use this VPN on up to 10 devices as well, so you can share it with friends and family and use it on all your devices. I recommend using this on not only your desktop but your phones as well, just to protect yourself when connecting to other Wi-Fi's. There is always a possibility of hackers getting into your phone and stealing your cryptocurrency, so this definitely helps that. It also protects your data and other private media that's on your phone as well. So I definitely recommend trying this out. It's the only VPN with a 4.8 Trustpilot score as well, so definitely a great VPN if you do want to try this out. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found the video useful, please share the video. Also comment below, what are your thoughts on Ethereum and where do you see the price headed for end of 2020? I'm definitely interested to hear your price predictions. If you guys have any questions as well, please drop them below and I'll try to reply to all of them when I can. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys again so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.